Dear students, I am going to teach class 10 biology chapter 2. In this chapter you will learn about cell cycle, cell division and structure of chromosome. I am starting the chapter with structure of chromosome. Now what is chromosome? You have noticed that the people around you, some of them are having dark complexion, some are having fair complexion, some are tall, some are short, some are having curly hair, some are having straight hair. Regarding eye color, some people are having black eye color, some are having brown color, some are having blue color also. Now all these are characteristics. These are the characteristics, and you have noticed also that we are having some similarities with our parents, either father or mother, and we have some new characteristics also. That means some characteristics are inherited from our parents to us, to the offsprings. So all these characteristics are inherited from one generation to another generation through chromosome. Now the question is, what is chromosome? In class 9 you have learned cell organelles, and I think you have a clear idea about the structure of nucleus. Chromatin fiber which remains in the nucleus, chromosome is formed from chromatin fiber. Actually, during cell division, this chromatin fiber condenses to form thread-like, very small thread-like structures which are called chromosomes. These chromosomes are the carrier of genetic information from one generation to another generation. Now I am giving the definition of chromosome. All these things will have to be in the definition. It is given here. Just during cell division, chromatin fibers condensed to form thread-like structures of nucleic acid and protein found in the nucleus of most living cells carrying genetic information are known as chromosomes. So this is the definition of chromosome. Now what about the structure of chromosome? Chromosome looks like a thread, but actually it consists of two thread-like structures called chromatids. You just go through the diagram given in A number. Here the structure of chromosome is given. You can see the chromatids, the arms are chromatids, and two chromatids joined together in a particular place by a button-like structure which is called centromere. But the location of centromere is not fixed in all chromosomes. Sometimes the centromere remains at the middle, then it is called metacentric. You just go through the diagram given in B number. Here 4 types of chromosomes are shown. It is classified on the basis of the location of centromere. The first one is metacentric, second one submetacentric, third one acrocentric, and fourth one telocentric. Metacentric type of chromosome, here the centromere remains at the middle. Submetacentric chromosome, here the centromere remains slightly away from the middle point. Acrocentric, here the centromere remains at one end but slightly below the normal position. And fourth one, that is telocentric. Here the centromere remains at the proximal end. So these are four types of chromosome depending on the location of centromere. Now, what is the number of chromosome in human being? Human body cells contain 23 pairs of chromosomes, that is 46 chromosomes. Actually, all higher animals and plants have diploid number of chromosomes. Diploid means double set of chromosome, which is written as 2n. These things will be more clear in genetic chapter. Now, so paired chromosome, 23 pairs of chromosome. That means two sets of chromosome. One set comes always from father and another set always comes from mother. So out of 23 pairs or 46 chromosomes, 22 pairs are autosomes and one pair is sex chromosome. 22 pairs means 44 chromosomes are autosomes and 2 chromosomes, that is one pair, is sex chromosome. This chromosome number varies from organism to organism. That means different kinds of organisms are having different number of chromosomes. A list is given in your book, you just go through. Now, sex chromosomes, and I am discussing about sex chromosomes and autosomes. What is the difference between sex chromosome and autosome? Sex chromosome, sex chromosome is of two types, X and Y. In human female, both the sex chromosomes are X, that is X and X, XX. Two sex chromosome, that is one pair of sex chromosome, both are X. But in human male, one chromosome is X, another one is Y. Now, what is the difference between sex chromosome and autosomes? Sex chromosome determine the sex of an individual, but autosomes cannot determine the sex of an individual. For example, whether a person will be male or female, it is determined by sex chromosome. Now, I am going to the next point, that is chromatin. The heading is given here, chromatin. Actually, in the first slide, I have told you that chromosomes are made up of chromatids. That means chromatids are made up of chromatin. Now, what is the composition of chromatin? The chromatin material consists of two substances. DNA, it's a kind of nucleic acid, you know, and the full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. 40% DNA, that is nucleic acid, and 60% type of protein, that is histone. So chromatin fiber consists of two substances, DNA 40%, histone protein 60%. You just go through the diagram given in right hand side. See, yellow colored ball like structures are found. These are the histone molecules. Here 8 histone molecules are there, which is called octamate. These 8 histone molecules are wrapped by DNA molecule. This a core of 8 histone molecule is surrounded by DNA molecule, and this structure is called nucleosome. That means nucleosome is a structural unit of eukaryotic chromosome. Obviously eukaryotic, because prokaryotic it cannot be seen in prokaryotic cell because the structure is very primitive. So, a structural unit of eukaryotic